In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload images in Miro. To begin, open Miro and go to your board. This can be a brand new board or an existing one, as long as you are looking at the main canvas area where you place content. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct board, because any image you upload will be added to the canvas you are currently viewing. Next, move your attention to the left side toolbar. This is where Miro keeps your main creation tools, along with shortcuts to extra features. Look for the option called Tools, Media, and Integrations, and click it. This opens a larger menu where you can access additional items beyond the basic shapes and text. It is the main place to go when you want to bring files, media, or other content into your board. Once that menu is open, you will see a search field. In that search field, type the word upload. This is a quick way to find the exact option you need without scrolling through the full list. As you type, Miro filters the available tools and highlights the upload option for you. This can save time, especially if you use a lot of integrations and your menu is longer. After you find the upload option, select it, and then choose My Device. This tells Miro that you want to upload an image stored on your computer. Your file browser will open, and from there you can navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Click the image you want to upload, and then confirm your selection to start the upload. When the upload finishes, the image will appear directly on your Miro canvas. From there, you can place it wherever it fits best in your layout. A helpful tip is to give yourself some open space on the board before uploading, so the image is easy to spot and you can organize it right away. If you are building a mood board, a presentation frame, or a project workspace, uploading images like this is one of the fastest ways to add visual context. And that is all there is to it.